So now, just a simple video. I needed 5.6 volt Zener diodes. I've been using them in a lot of my videos, and I don't know where the pack went. So this is a new pack right there. So there you can see now I got 5.6 volt Zener diodes again. This pack has 35 values, and 51 volts is the highest. If you don't know about Zener diodes, you put them reverse bias in a circuit with something limiting current. Could be a resistor or a current source, and when you do so, it builds up, in this case 2 volts across it. So 51 volts is the highest value in this pack, and 2 volts is the lowest value in this pack. And if you see my earlier videos where I show my pack of diodes, this is how all of my diodes were marked when it came to the ones I ordered. I'm pretty sure it was on eBay. But any case, you can see they had to handwrite these two for some reason. And so that's how all of my other ones were. I liked that these had stickers on there, so I was kind of surprised there was some handwritten, but oh well. So some of the handwriting on my other pack was like in red, and you know, you got all this other red and stuff, and it just doesn't show up as good as black, and their handwriting wasn't terribly great. Yeah, this isn't really all that either. But in any case, I can easily see that's 3 volts, and I think that's 3.3 volts. Something that is typically done, I do this a lot. There you can see, it's hard to see that decimal point, really easy to see this decimal point. So if it's printed, it's really not that hard to see the decimal point. But there, it's a little bit harder. I kind of missed that. At first I thought that was 33, but then I noticed the decimal point. Typically you take the V right there and put it where the decimal point is. So I would have wrote that as 3V3, and so the V takes place of the decimal point. It's still where the decimal point is, but they use the V to indicate it instead. So something to be aware of. But in any case, I don't think I have much more to add. Again, I have a lot of schematic diagrams I made where I use a 5.6 volt Zener diode, and I don't know where my pack went. It just disappeared. I think I looked pretty much everywhere for it, and so the value, I don't know if we're going to be able to see this without me having to cut the scene. I think if I zoom forward, yeah, that worked much better. So yeah, it looks like it's upside down. So okay, so I finally got it where you can see it decently right there. So it doesn't say C on this one, but we got 5, and then we got V in place of the decimal point, and 6. So that's how you know this is a 5.6 volt Zener diode. So that's pretty typical right there to put 5 V6. And I don't think I figured out what the ST at the bottom means. But in any case, it's the value of the Zener that matters.